Are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey and achieve a great-looking physique? If so, then this video is perfect for you. We'll be covering 5 simple exercises to help you get abs in the comfort of your home in just 30 days. Let's get started. Number 1, bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches combine traditional ab crunches with rotational movements, engaging your rectus abdominis, internal obliques, and external obliques. This dynamic motion burns calories, reducing body fat to reveal abs. It also enhances core stability, balance, and posture. To perform, lie on your back, hands supporting your head, knees at a 90-degree angle. Lift your upper body, bring your right elbow to your left knee, and straighten your right leg. Alternate sides, twisting your torso. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Number 2, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers combine cardio and muscle strength, mimicking a climbing motion. They target your rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques while also engaging your arms, shoulders, chest, and legs. This high-intensity exercise burns calories quickly, crucial for fat loss. To perform, start in a plank position. Quickly draw one knee to your chest, then switch legs, simulating running. Number 3, hanging leg raises. Hanging the leg raises focus on the lower abs, but engages the entire core. They add an extra challenge by requiring stability and control. Variations include straight leg raises and side-to-side leg raises. To perform, hang from a pull-up bar, legs straight and together. Raise your legs by lifting your knees toward your chest, then lower them back down. Number 4, Russian twists. Russian twists target the obliques, essential for a well-defined waist. The seated rotational movement challenges core stability. To perform, sit with knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, clasp your hands and lift your feet. Rotate your torso to the right, then to the left. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Number 5, abtucks. Abtucks target the rectus abdominis, internal and external obliques, and transverse abdominis, also engaging the hip flexors. This advanced exercise enhances core strength and posture. To perform, sit with legs extended. Lean back, engage your core, bend your knees and draw them to your chest. Extend your legs at a 45-degree angle, then repeat. So there you have it. 5 dynamic exercises to get abs in the comfort of your home in just a few minutes a day for 30 days and achieve your fitness goals. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and have fun with your workouts. And don't forget to check out other videos on this channel for more fitness tips and inspiration. Let's crush those goals together.